I only have 500 subscribers on YouTube, but I have almost 50,000 on TikTok and 5,000 on Instagram. And the reason for that is I was specifically making content that was short form and I was making content for what people were actually searching for. Believe it or not, there actually is a two-step process to figure out what people want to see and what they're searching for. And then when you make content geared towards that, it explodes like crazy when it comes to your interactions on your videos. Let me show you my two-step process so you can repeat it in any niche. So, how do we find content and topics that people are actually wanting to watch videos on? Well, we start by going to Answer the Public. This is by far the best data scraper out there. People have used this for years and years. There's videos all over YouTube about how this works. If you really want to get hands-on and in-depth to everything this can do, I'd suggest just searching Answer the Public tutorial here on YouTube and it will pull up plenty for you. Is what I do on here is I focus on making content for two niches, artificial intelligence and real estate. I'm a mortgage broker by day and I do AI stuff because I find it fun. Stuff like this I do as a hobby and I love it. So let's stick with the artificial intelligence theme. Now that we're in Answer the Public, come right up top here to YouTube. You just need to click it. Now, when you're on Answer the Public, you can search Google, Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and Instagram, as you can see right there. And when you enter in a topic right here, like artificial intelligence, I've already searched this, so I'm not going to send this through because I get 100 searches a day, which, you know what, whatever, we're going to do it. You select what platform you want, you put in a keyword of what your niche is, and then it goes to work. And you can see here, there's 2,770 results. The average search volume, some are very high, some are very low, but the average is 135,000 that include this word right here. It tells me the cost per click. And then there's multiple ways you can look at the actual content that it creates. You can look at it in this wheel format, which I don't know anybody who actually looks at it like this because it's so overwhelming. I come here to list, and then I just simply use this sort by, and I go, what's the highest that is searched with artificial intelligence in the name? So, character artificial intelligence search volume 5 million, a ridiculously high amount. Character artificial intelligence, people are figuring out avatars and just AI generated people. They're trying to figure that out. Open artificial intelligence, that's really people just looking for open AI, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence detector. People want to know what's real, what's fake, and how they can identify it. So, this right here is giving me content ideas. People are searching for this. So if I make content for YouTube specifically to capture this, I should start popping up. 5 million is a big chunk. So the reason I use Answer the Public is because of how easy they make it to just click download CSV. Now, it's going to download everything of these 2,770 exactly as it is. Keyword, modifier, search volume, cost per click. So I already have that downloaded. So once I do my search, I download what I want. I then just go into ChatGPT. So I have this prompt that I use that's saved. I'm happy to send it to you if you'd like it. Just leave a comment and I'll get it over to you. But you are a content research analyst skilled in keyword analysis and content strategy. Your task is to analyze a CSV, which I downloaded from Answer the Public. That's the one I have. I uploaded it. That's this one right here. And I have instructions and everything I want it to do. So it's working. It's going through all the stuff, blah, blah. I get down here. Here's your Answer the Public keyword analysis distilled to the 10 highest potential queries for content. How to use artificial intelligence to make money. Suggested content, 3-step walkthrough and a real example. Format, YouTube. Confidence score, 98 out of 100. Doesn't get much more confident than that. Then lean into why is artificial intelligence dangerous? Lead with a bold claim, then prove it fast. Blog, 81. So it's giving me YouTube content, blog driving people to my website, which in turn will drive people to my YouTube channel. So then from here, I pick which one of these I would like to actually make. If there's one that I just don't feel like I want to talk on, I'm just going to skip it. But if we wanted to do how to use AI to make money, do a 3-step walkthrough video, and then give a real example, it would be easy for me to do because I used Answer the Public when I started this channel to figure out what people were looking for. I already happen to be using AI. They said AI is trending in search categories. I made an AI channel And since July, I've made a couple $100 off TikTok. I've made about $150 off Instagram and YouTube. So then from here, you just can either write your own script or continue working here with ChatGPT to have it generate a script. You can say, write me a short form script. Let's just do it. So we're going to say, act as a content script writer for short form content. Use rank 1, which is this one, to write me a script. I can record very simply on my iPhone. It can be a rapid fire. Here are 5 things you can do to use AI to make money right now. And just send it through. We'll talk to it while it gives us the content ideas. You can sell quick services on Fiverr, Upwork using ChatGPT or Claude, copywriting, social media captions, blog intros, easy money if you know how to prompt. Tools like Zapier and ChatGPT, Midjourney or Canva. So, I mean, perfect, but I mean, factual, you could make money that way. It'd be tough, but you could. So there's a quick 2-step process right there of what I do to generate unlimited content ideas. And when I say unlimited, I really mean unlimited. When you think about real estate, you can say home loans, you can say real estate, buying a home, selling a home, staging a home, decorating a home. All of those are their own keyword within Answer the Public that all bring up different searches of what people are looking for. You could even use ChatGPT to say, this is my main niche, but I need 15 sub niches off of that in order to generate more content ideas. Lean into ChatGPT, lean into Answer the Public, get unlimited content ideas, and just start recording and grow your business. Change your life financially. You could do it if you stay motivated enough to do it. If you guys found any of this video helpful, make sure you subscribe. We are trying to grow, as everybody on YouTube is. Leave a comment if you'd like me to add anything onto the next video or what the next video should be on, and we'll see you on the next one.